Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u square, we have to u du. First derivative of s square, we have to s. First derivative of s, we have number 1, so we have number 2. Next, we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 1, so I will put number 1 going here and here. So we have u equals to the square root of number 3. When s equals to number 2, so I will put number 2 going here and here. So we have u equals to the square root of number 8. So number 1, that is about this one. Number 2, that is about this one. This one we change by u. S plus 1 ds we change by u du. So this one we have u squared. The integration of u squared, we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put the bounds from the square root of number 3 to the square root of number 8. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.